Hey darlings, Teresa here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to jump back into that Pat McGrath Labs Mothership series, okay? I wanted to play in makeup. I was just feeling like, you know, just having fun playing in makeup. So we are back with the series, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, this is the palette in all of her glory, you guys. It's so pretty, and it's funny, I didn't mean to match this palette, the artwork. I didn't mean to match, it just kind of happened. Besides, pink is my favorite color, so there you go. Anyway, this is the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership #3 Subversive palette. And this, from what I can remember, is a really fun palette, so I'm going to take her out of the packaging. And of course, she's in the black lacquer packaging here, the classic black lacquer packaging, and that's the back there. Okay, so I remember this being quite a fun palette. So let's see what we will be able to come up with. All right, and as you all know, I don't go too crazy with my eyeshadow looks, but we're gonna do something really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to use my Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer, and I just dabbed a little bit on my eye, and I'm gonna dab some on the left eye, and I'm going to blend this out. Okay, darlings, now since my eyes are nice and primed, I am going to go in with my MAC 224 blending brush, and I'm going to apply, let's see, I'm gonna start with the transition color. This is, I would say, a light chocolate brown. So I'm gonna go in, these shadows are pretty pigmented, especially the mattes, so I'm gonna go in with this brown shade and lightly blend this in my crease. Okay, so I blended that in my crease, that brown shade. Next, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to take a smaller brush. Let's see, I'm gonna take my Wayne Goss #6 brush, and I'm gonna go in with that same brown, and I'm gonna pack it on the outer corner just to add a little bit of depth. And then what I'm gonna do, just to deepen it up ever so slightly, is apply this black matte shade in the palette right here. Okay guys, now I'm gonna dip just one dip into that black matte shade. I don't want it to be too dark. Okay guys, so you can see the depth there. I didn't want it to go like too dark and smoky, but I wanted to have a little more depth there. So next what I'm going to do is, where do I want to go with this? Oh, I'm gonna do a pop of color. I'm gonna go in with this, it looks like a periwinkle, like this really pretty shade here. It's kind of giving periwinkle. It looks darker in person and a little brighter like on camera, but I'm gonna swatch her just so you all can see. So this is what it looks like on my finger, and then I'm gonna swatch it. So here's the swatch right here. Very pretty color. I feel like this will look really pretty on the lid, especially with my hazel eyes. So I'm going to apply this. But first, before I apply that shade on my lid, I am going to apply my Pat McGrath Labs IntensifEYES Artistry wand. And because I have slightly hooded eyes, I went slightly above my eyelid. So I applied this and I went slightly above and carved out a little, just so you can see that shadow better. Oh my goodness, you guys, so pretty. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go in with this. This is the other special shade here. This pink shade, oh my God, it's so pretty. This pink shade here is one of the special shades. So I'm going to swatch that one as well, right next to the first shade. And I'm gonna go in like right in the first third of my eye. Look how pretty these shades are. Oh my goodness. So stunning. So I'm gonna apply the pink shade right, and I'm gonna marry those two shades together. So in the inner third of my eye with the pink shade, and just overlap the purple ever so slightly. And I'll be going in to apply that pink shimmer shade using my Sonia G Soft Shader brush. Gorgeous. I really like the way this looks, you guys. Oh my God, so pretty. It's like a mermaid eye, and I didn't really, and I'm matching my outfit. It's really bizarre. I didn't plan this out. Trust me, I didn't. Okay, next you guys, I'm gonna go in with this shimmer champagne shade here. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone as well as my inner tear duct. And I will be using my flat definer brush from Sonia G to apply that product. Okay, darling, so this is what I came up with, and I'm here for it. I think it's really pretty. It's matchy-matchy, which I didn't plan, but I do like the look, the eyeshadow look. It looks very summer appropriate. Okay, next I'm going to do the other eye off of camera, and then I'm going to finish the rest of my eyes, apply some lower lash line, and then I will come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this beautiful palette. Okay, darlings, I am finished my makeup look, and I honestly love the way my eyeshadow came out. It's very, very pretty. I really like this look. I feel like this palette is one of the more fun palettes in the Pat McGrath Mothership collection, if you will. It's just a really fun palette. I really like it. I like the pops of pink. I like the, of course, the special shades, the shimmer, the periwinkle purple was really pretty. And of course the mattes always blend to perfection. So I am loving this makeup look. I'm not going anywhere tonight, too bad, because you know, I'm gonna have to do this look again for when I do go out. I feel like it's very summer appropriate, and of course I love the formulas. Hence to why I am a collector of all of the Mothership palettes. And if you like this video, please give me a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit your notification bell so that you're notified every time I go live. Make sure you click it and set it to all so that you're notified every time I go live here on YouTube. And until next week, take care, darlings. Goodbye.